Okay, smoke test time. I hooked up my little watt SWR meter for QRP. Let's go ahead and power this puppy up. Sorry about the phone there. I can't do this thing one-handed. So, powered up. No battery indicator, right? Well, let's go through there and turn that portion on now. Go to preset. Get down here where you can see it. That's back up here. Let's just go ahead and do that over again. Hold the menu button down. Preset comes on. Scroll down to other. There we go. Hit other and then battery off. So now let's activate that. Battery on. Okay, and I want to set that to, see, I've already played with this, trying to get this battery to work, indicator to work. I didn't know you had to put a jumper on there until just the other day. So anyway, let's go ahead and change this. I want 13.8. Okay. And then we'll do the step. And the battery step should be 1.0. Like I said, I've been into this and messing with it on there, so I didn't know what I was doing. Okay. Now the battery indicator should work. And there it is. It's not right at the very top because right now, let's see here, let's turn this thing off. And I'll go grab my key also. I want to make sure I'm still putting out 5 watts, which I should be. But here, I'll set you down for a second here. I'm going to check my voltage because I know I'm not 13.8 volts right now. Volts AC, DC, there we go. I got a messy desk here. I'm tangled up with every wire that is known to man. I feel like I'm a welder. You know, the leads always get tangled up when you're welding. All right, get to this. Terrific. I want to do that. Around where we're supposed to be. All right, positives and negative. What I got is 11.75 volts or thereabouts. So good, and that's what that indicator there gives me. Time will tell when I get a battery down to around 8 volts. I want to see where that indicator is. But anyway, it's just a rough indicator of your voltage anyway. So that's good. I like that. Hans did tell me that by putting that jumper on, it would affect one thing, and that would be your cat. But I've heard from another fellow that he did the jumper and his cat still worked. So I don't know. Maybe there was been an update or upgrade or something that changed that. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not interested in running that through a computer anyway. I like just a simple little QRP radio. So anyway, I'm going to go grab my key. Wait a minute. I have one down here somewhere already. Let's see if I can find it. Where, oh, where in my mess should it be? There it is. So, paddles, put them in there. And let's put the power back on it. Horrible with a camera. I should set up my GoPro with a deal there. So anyway, to do this, I'm going to go ahead and set my key speed down to, oh, I don't know, 2, 3, 1, 2 words per minute. Yep. And see where I go here when I key that. Set up somewhere where I can read that. Yeah, I think we can see it there. Anyway, so I'll just hit the key here. And I'm putting over 5 watts on there. And if I looked at the test papers and stuff, I think it was, if I remember right, 6.2 watts is what they tested this one at. So that's good. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take apart the 20 meter QCX and see where we go from there. All right,